Hello students, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about interferon. First of all, interferons, they are playing a role in innate immunity, which is non-specific and it comes in the second line of defense. These are the chemical messengers which are produced by the infected cell, generally the virus infected cell, and then the chemical diffuse in the neighboring cell to make the neighboring cell viral resistant. Clear? For example, see here, this is a cell which is infected by the virus. Okay, so this is a cell infected by the virus. So after the virus has sent its genetic material, it is replicating. And what it will do, because the virus is now entered inside and virus replication has started. So now this cell will release chemical and that chemical is known as interferon. So interferon gene is activated and it will produce interferon and it is released from the cell. And by paracrine signaling, it is a type of a paracrine signaling in which the signaling molecules which are made by the secretory cells diffuse and they enter into the neighboring cells because receptors are present on the neighboring cells, nearby cells only. So this is a receptor molecule, which is where the interferon will bind. Okay, this interferon is binding here, you can see. And now what will happen? Message will be given to the nucleus so that they can prevent antiviral protein genes will produce antiviral protein so as to block viral replication if cell become infected with virus. So this production is going on so as to prevent the spreading of the viral infection. To see the theory, type 1 interferon, example alpha and beta, they are produced and released by the cell which are infected by the virus. They stimulate nearby cell to stop production of messenger RNA, destroy RNA already produced and reduce protein synthesis which is required for virus. Type 1 interferon are generally produced either by macrophage, okay, or by fibroblast cells. Type 1 interferon will inhibit viral replication and they will activate natural killer cells. So they will show antiviral actions. So target is to inhibit viral replication and inhibit the production of the mature virus so as to slow the spread of the virus. Clear? And all the terms which I was using, paracrine signaling, and I was saying ki natural killer cells, so please check the videos. You will find these topic videos. Already I have made it, so please check it to make the concept clear. Now, type 2 interferon is actually activator of immune cells. Okay, it is also known as gamma interferon. It is playing very important role in innate immunity and acquired immunity. They will stimulate macrophage to destroy tumor cell. Is it clear? So type 2 interferon is the one which is going to activate our immune response, and type 1, that is alpha and beta, they are produced by virus infected cell to make the neighboring cell viral resistant and they prevent the spread of the virus disease. So I hope so this short video might be helpful for you to understand what are interferons. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel